hear the sound.
Hey friends, as you can see, this is the box of the newly launched Boat Stone 170. And first we're going to see what's written on the box, then we're going to move inside the box. So as you can see on the back, there is some information about the speaker which we are going to discuss in the later part of the video. So as you can see on the right side, there is some information about the brand itself. At the back, the Boat branding everywhere you can see over here. So now just cut open the seal and see what's inside the box. So this is how you cut it, and when you open it, first thing you can see is that you get the speaker over here. This is nothing much. These are the accessories, the aux cable. I think there might be a charging cable also. So this is the charging cable and nothing else inside the box. I think so. There's a manual and the warranty card. So this is the warranty card, as you can see, and some manuals of the speaker which we actually don't read. Friends, till the time I use this speaker and prepare a proper review about it, you can take a look at the speaker.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Boat Stone 170 out of the box, and first we're going to talk about the build quality and design on this speaker. Build quality wise, the whole shell of the speaker is made out of fabric, rubber and little bit of plastic. Mostly you will see the fabric part, which feels very premium. At this price point you're getting such a great build quality, and being a boat product, the build quality is damn super, because this brand means a lot when it comes to the build quality part. And design wise also, as you can see over here, this is a new design. Like, I haven't seen many speakers with this design. This is a triangular design and this looks pretty funky in my opinion. And this blue color, you have many color options like black or many more. I haven't checked it out, but there are some color options. You can check in the description below, the first link. So the design on the speaker is damn good. It's very portable. This will fit in your pocket very easily, or you can carry this in your bag. The weight of this device is not that much because this is just a 5-watt speaker. That's why this will not weigh that much. You can carry this speaker every day with you within the college or somewhere around. And when we talk about the feature part of the speaker, features wise, you might not believe you get these many things at this price point. You get latest Bluetooth 4.2. This is a 5-watt speaker. This is water resistant IPX6. This speaker can connect to another Boat Stone 170 and play a single song. Like, they can both get sync up together. Like, you can use this like left one and the other one right one. I haven't bought the other one, so I just bought one. With this button, when you click this button, both will sync together. And you can see the same button on the JBL speakers also. They have the same technology. Like, most of the brands have the same technology. Botronics is also using the same feature in most of its speaker nowadays. So feature part, the battery on this speaker is 1800 mAh, which will give you a playtime of about 7 to 8 hours. In my usage on the box, it's written 6 hours, but it's about 8 hours to 7 hours. It depends on the volume. I've used it on 100% volume. And you can not pick up calls on this speaker because this doesn't have a microphone over here. This is just for the LED part, but it's okay at this price point. It's super good. But another great part of the speaker is that you get multiple ports. Like you see over here, not actually ports, you get connectivity options over here. Like, you get aux and another SD card slot over here, so you can listen to music with those things. And you get a charging point over here, so you can listen to FM radio also through the speaker. So you have that kind of modes, but you don't have a USB port. It's okay at this price point. I don't want that also. This is a very small speaker, so it's damn okay to me. So friends, now we're gonna move to the sound test of this small speaker to my OnePlus 6 over here, and the name of the song is Cradles by NCS, and the volume from my device is full. So now I'm going to play the song.
Maximum volume.
Now it's full.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Bass is damn good.
Take my eyes.
As you've heard this speaker, now we come to a conclusion that the sound from this speaker is damn good. Like, this is just a 5 watt speaker and it sounded like a 8 watt or a 10 watt speaker. It's that loud. The clarity on this speaker is super good. There is no distortion at all, not by any means. And the bass on the speaker is also superb. It is very bassy for a 5 watt speaker. Like, you can see the whole table was shaking, the tripod was shaking. It is that good when it comes to the bass part. So this is a very value for money speaker in the market right now. Today, as per now, like on Sunday, on which day I'm uploading this video, the price of this speaker is 1000 rupees, which is only for prime people on Amazon. So you can check the link in the description and get this speaker right now, because I bought it for a little bit of more money, like about 1300 rupees. But for that money also, this speaker is just a value for money thing, because the build quality, the features it gives, no other speaker will give you at this price point. The whole design of the speaker, the quality is just superb. It's damn good. So friends, if you want to buy this speaker, you know the drill. Check the link in the description. There might be more colors of this speaker. You can check that also in the link in the description. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because there are more budget friendly speakers coming on this channel and more comparison videos of this speaker with my other speakers which are also budget friendly. And if you want to watch any kind of video, like if some kind of a comparison video which you want specifically, you can comment down below in the comment section. So friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Boat Stone 170. Thank you for watching, friends.